Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Apple sign-in with Firebase for iOS, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Xcode project. Navigate to your Firebase console. Create a new project or select an existing one. Go to Authentication on the left sidebar. Click on the Sign In Method tab. Enable Apple under the sign-in providers. Scroll down and click Save. Now, open your iOS project in Xcode. Make sure to install the Firebase SDK if you haven't already. Add the necessary Firebase frameworks via CocoaPods or Swift Package Manager. Import Firebase in your app delegate file. Initialize Firebase in the application did finish launching with options method. Make sure your app's bundle identifier matches the one in your Firebase console. Enable Sign In with Apple in your Xcode project settings. Go to your app target and select the Signing and Capabilities tab. Click the plus capability button and add Sign In with Apple. Next, create a new Swift file for handling authentication. Import Firebase and authentication in that file. Write a function to perform the Apple sign-in. Use the AS authorization Apple ID provider to initiate the sign-in request. Handle the response using the delegate methods. Extract the authorization information received. Create a new credential with OAuth provider. Pass the credentials to Firebase for authentication. Handle any errors that may occur during the sign-in process. If successful, navigate the user to the main interface of your app. Test your implementation on a real device to ensure functionality. Check for any potential issues and troubleshoot as needed. Your Apple sign-in with Firebase for iOS integration is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.